Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install IPVanish VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So the IPVanish VPN is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download IPVanish VPN on your Amazon Firestick device, so you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So what you have to do, need to click on search icon above the menu and type here IPVanish. When you type IP, the suggestion below IPVanish VPN, so click on. And here as you can see IPVanish app, so click on. Then click on download button. So the downloading will be start. It will depending on your internet speed. So the IPVanish has been installed. Now you open IPVanish app from here and also from home. After installing IPVanish VPN, now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Click on apps, it means application. And here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick device. So if you want to open IPVanish VPN, then scroll down and you will find IPVanish VPN. So here is the IPVanish VPN icon, so click on. So if you have IPVanish VPN account, then type here your username and password and click login. So you can use this method to download IPVanish on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.